August 18th, 1973, news of a bizarre chainsaw-wielding family, reports which were to ignite the world's imagination, began to filter out of Central Texas. Regrettably, not one of the family members was ever apprehended, and for more than 10 years, nothing further was heard. Then, over the next several years, at least 2 minor yet apparently related incidents were reported. Then again, nothing. For 5 long years, silence.
Yard, playing with my kids, having a barbecue, inviting friends over, just watching a movie, like classic old movies, playing some like video games every now and then. Like I love retro games.
Imagine. Because there's not a good one out there. Because they all just fucking fuck boys and be good ones. And I changed the whole song around. And nobody is one of the good ones. He's on my love. I hope y'all record that too. You are a good one. Record that too. That loves me and cherishes me forever.
Unless they're trying to do it for like malicious intent, but I highly doubt it. Bitch, you're the worst one. I ain't taking no advice from you. You let shit go too far. You let them take a picture of your mom. That's fucked up. That is messed up. And I don't know why the fuck you posted it. You had a picture on Twitter. That's doing the most. Well, you need to learn how to set your profiles to private, especially because you can't just allow people to just come in and look at your profile. You gotta go in and set that shit to private. So you should be doing that right now. If you don't know, you better watch a video. Nah. Then how the fuck do they take the pictures? Eso es muy triste cuando las personas usan las fotos de las personas que han fallecido. Esas personas no tienen el perdón de Dios. Oh, you heard that, Tiger? She said that it's really sad that there's people that use people's photos that have passed away and that those people don't have God's forgiveness. So she's bitch, shut the fuck up. You should not be saying those things. Yes, they don't have a life to live, not you. Oh, okay. Better get your words straight. Because I was ready to fight. I'm ready to kick. I need people to act right. Yeah, I was ready to kick you, but then you fixed it. You fixed the mistake.
Nah, it's my neighbor.
Well, he got a man anyway, so it's okay.
Right.
Wait, nah, I
I
said
just in Texas. I changed my name to Texas now.
oh yeah, it says happily taken. Okay now.
My new name is
Getting
Texas
to
now.
it.
That frame.
Fuck you at.
Sorry about it.
Shut the hell up, Ed.
Or you could put like, fuck you skinny bitch.
No. Bitch, that's you, not me. I'm hard to love, like this song.
But I love you, dude.
I had to know them for like a long time.
I love
Like
you.
a year. I had to know that. But I'm gonna eat my cherries and live my best life. Since no one wants me. I'm gonna just eat my fillings away and eat my chocolate. It's the only thing left. A power bottom with the bad back.
Yeah, remember Danny said he said something. I wonder if it's what Danny said.